Today we got a new unit of RTX2080 from Nvidia, and you can see that this is the first unit we got from touring architecture with DDR6 based memory, and this is from Zotac, and it's an AMP edition. So you have to unbox this thing. And this is the toolbox we got, the manual PDs and all systems. And here it is, our boy. Yeah, you can see that it's a typical ambition setup, and got 3 fans. And one of the interesting change that we got is it's equipped with a Type-C port. So nowadays the Type-C is the most common port. So you can connect either to a monitor, a phone, a laptop, a smart TV. Everything that supports Type-C. So it's a major advantage. And already it's already equipped with three display ports and 1 HDMI, like the previous cards we got. And there is a Zotac gaming logo. It's like it's on the top of the side of the card, and there's a large heatsink on the side, and 4 heat pipes, and that's quite large. And there is a strong metal base. You can see all this. It's a strong metal base here, and it's also have 8+6 power pin setup, like all the AMP edition models. And there is the sticker that denotes the graphics memory model and the DDR6 types for memory noted on the top of the card. Okay, so now we can fix the machine.